Are you considering building a custom guest house or ADU in Santan Valley? Before you start, avoid these common mistakes.
First, don't skip your research. Compare builders, read reviews, and request detailed quotes. Set a realistic budget and explore financing options so your project stays on track.
Always check local regulations and permits to prevent costly delays. Choose experienced ADU contractors with a proven track record, not just the lowest bid. Finally, plan your ADU for long-term flexibility, whether it's for guests, rental income, or a home office. Wondering about permits, costs, or timelines? Most ADU projects require permits and can take a few months to a year to complete. Ready to get started? Contact us today for a free quote at 602-9600-756 or visit santanvalleyaddbuilder.com.